And this is my first experience with Oculus Quest 2, and this is the latest Oculus device which is designed by Facebook, Google. And recently, 1 month recently I received this parcel, and it is very friendly. You can just press this one and you can drag our menu as well, and you can see when I move upwards, so it can highlight the red boundary. So there are 4 sensors in the corner of the Oculus device which can tells me you are out of the range, and you can define your gaming zone as well, because like this, like room scale. So you can define your room. First of all, confirm the floor, confirm. So define a play area like this. I can design this area like this. Okay, and just confirm me. Okay, confirm. And you can just sit, and you can show on your floor. There is a blue circle which can tells you you are sitting in this zone, and if I'm going outside to this zone, so this is highlighted and show me. So I like this feature as well. So there are very friendly like this. You can move menu, and you can go to the browser, and you can scroll this as well, how much width you needed. So you can this, and you can also add this one, and you can just click this one and also shuffle this, highlight. And there are many beautiful view screens like this you can see in my video. Like there are 2 chairs. Okay, you can change these themes as well like this, and you can add different games inside, and like settings, and you can also add link. You can also attach your mobile phone and your laptop PC as well. You can also put the pattern lock as well, and virtual settings. So there are different wallpapers, like recently this is active, I just changed this one, and you can see if I cross this one, okay, close, and okay, ignore it. So okay, so look, there are very beautiful scene. Okay, so there are fan rotating like this. So it's my first experience with the Oculus device, so I am feeling very excited with the gaming point of view. So please guys, stay tuned with me if you also like my device, and if you also need some tutorials related to how to play a virtual reality game like this. So please guys, stay tuned with me. Thank you for watching guys. Take care.